Hey, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Breddo 25-gallon liquefier. Give you a look inside. It has the standard impeller with the baffle, as they always come. This is the round version, and it has a AC frequency controller by Schneider in here, operating on 220 three-phase voltage. Belt driven. We're running about 50 hertz, about 2/3 of the maximum speed. We have lots of equipment in our stock for processing and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks for joining.